The journey never stops. Neither should you. Life is unpredictable. Plans change. Destinations shift. With the Slingah system, you're always ready for what's next. Daypacker adapts to your lifestyle. From your office to the streets, it transforms effortlessly into the Slingah, your trusty companion. A sleek sidekick for the things that matter. Light, agile, always within reach. Whether it's your phone or daily essentials, Slingah keeps life effortless. Not every moment calls for a full load. Keep it simple. Slingah holds your must-haves, giving you the freedom to move effortlessly through your day. Daypacker, more than a bag, it's a rhythm. A dance between form and function, structure and freedom. Everything in its place, everything within reach. Smart compartments keep everything in place. From tech to travel gear, every item has its space. Feel the comfort that moves with you. XRD shoulder straps reduce strain. Stay cool and make long wear effortless. The breathable VentraGrid back panel keeps your back cool while providing proper support, maximizing comfort. Hidden pockets secure your essentials. Travel, work or play, truly immerse in the moment with the built-in peace of mind. When meticulous craftsmanship meets premium materials, the Slingah system is built to last, designed to move through your everyday's adventure. The Slingah system is a seamless fusion of versatility, comfort and security, built for those who move fast, travel smart and demand more from their gear.